we are able to.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
not? We are able to. Now,
Yes.
extension fields. We have not done extension fields at that time. Field we have done, but not extension fields. Subfields, everything we have done. So a field E is said to be an extension field of a field F. F is a field, E is also a field, F is subset of E, E is superset, then E is what is called a extension field of F. F is a field, E is a field, F is subset of E. E is called extension field of F. F is called subfield of E. Subset is called subfield. Superset is called as extension field. Obviously, this is an extension of F. F is subset, so it is a subfield. So whenever both are fields, one is subset of the other. Subset in some textbooks like Freley is denoted like this in some textbooks. So E is what is called as extension field. F is called as subfield. Okay. Now F is a subfield of E. Then E is said to be an extension field. F is said to be subfield. Now, for example, you know that Q is a field, R is a field. Q is a subset of R. So R is what is called as an extension field of Q. Q is called as subfield of R. Subset is called subfield, superset is called extension of Q. For example, Q is subset of C. What is C? Set of complex numbers. R is subset of C. You know that C is a field. Q and R also fields. So we can say Q is a subfield of C. R is also subfield of C. C is called as an extended field, extension field for both Q as well as for R. This is an extension field for both Q as well as for R. I hope you got the idea. It is like subgroup, subring concept. What is subring? A subset of a ring, which is a ring, is called subring. What is subgroup? A subset of a group, which is called a group, is called subgroup. Exactly same. Both are fields. One is subset is called subfield. Superset is given special name here. The superset of a field is called extension field. Now, under extension fields, we have algebraic number and transcendental element. So, an element alpha of an extension field E, alpha is not there in F. Please be careful. Every line you have to read, like you read your scriptural text, is it not? So you have to concentrate and read every sentence. Read between the lines. Don't run. I will share this document. Take your own time, but try to do it thoroughly. So an element alpha of an extension field E, alpha is there in E. It is said to of a field F. Okay, E is an extension field for which field? Whenever we say extension field, we should always mention it is extension of which field. Otherwise, it is an incomplete sentence. I say it is an extension. It is an extension of which one? That is very important. So, E is an extension field of the field F, and alpha is there in E. Alpha need not be there in F. Alpha need not be there enough. If alpha is there in E, sufficient. It is said to be algebraic over F if f of alpha is 0. That means for some non-zero f of x in f box x. What is f box x? We have studied rings of polynomials. Polynomial rings we studied earlier. What is f box x? We say that a polynomial belongs to f box x if and only if it is in the form a0 plus a1x and so on, an x power n polynomial, where a0, a1, an, the coefficients, they belong to f. If the coefficients belongs to f, then we say this polynomial belongs to f box. So we have studied this. We have done many things: irreducible polynomials, That also we have done earlier. Please go through that. We have done vast syllabus. Abstract algebra itself takes time for you, 2 to 3 months. See, this is not the platform for research. This is the platform for clearing your CSIR and your set examination. So we have done in the examination point of view completely. But depth means nobody can do it. Because research is there only either in pure maths or in applied maths, or in pure maths also either in analysis or in abstract algebra. In algebra only group theory, ring theory, still research is there in every topic. So research level we are not doing. For that this is not the platform. To go into depth, this is like forest. If you enter, you will not be able to come out. So you should cross the forest. Your aim is not to roam in the forest. You have to cross this first. Because you have to clear your CSIR or set, otherwise you are not eligible to do PhD. You are not eligible for assistant professors, not eligible for degree college lecturers. So this is like a wall in between for you, your career. First you have to cross, later leisurely take any text and study thoroughly